Now, having said all of the above, I know it can be a bit. Now, having said all of the above, I know it can be what am I saying? Hey Pookies, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be discussing the different types of body shapes, how to know your body shapes and how to dress accordingly. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. First things first, let us establish the fact that all body shapes, all the different types of body shapes are beautiful. Do you know why? Because they were all created by God and God makes no mistakes. So all body shapes, all the different types of body shapes in the world are beautiful. Whichever one you have, you just have to embrace it. You have to love yourself, love your body. If you still do not know, the female body shapes are categorized into five, and they are: one, the hourglass; two, the paired body shape; three, the rectangle body shape; the fourth one is the inverted triangle body shape; and the last one is apple shaped. Now, if you still do not know your body shape, you're going to do this little exercise. You're going to go to your tailors or find a tailor around you. You're going to go there. Politely ask her or him to measure these areas of your body: your shoulder, right? Your bust, your waist, and then your hips. Note each of these measurements down and come back to this video. So I didn't introduce myself earlier. Hey, my name is Veronica. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to my channel, be part of my family, and be part of my growth. Are you back from the tailors? Are you sure? Okay. So now that you've gotten your measurements, let's discuss these body shapes in detail. First is the hourglass. This body shape is curvy and beautiful. They have similar bust size measurements with the hips, but the waist is super defined. Very tiny waist. Bust and hips, similar measurement, like I said, but the waist is snatched. I call those ones the Fashion Nova body shape. This body shape literally looks good in anything. If they choose to wear baggy clothes, so be it. If they choose to wear form-fitted clothes, so be it. Like I said, this body shape can literally wear anything. They can wear form-fitted dresses, pencil skirts, bandage dresses, skinny jeans, anything, crop top, see, anything that just accentuates their waist, good to go. Next is the pear-shaped body. Now just examine the shape of a pear. This is the shape of this body. They have larger hips, larger thighs, where the bust and the waist area is seemingly small. This body shape and the hourglass is similar with just minor differences. The hourglass, for that hourglass, like I said, the bust and the hips, similar measurement and tiny waist, while for the pear shape, the hips and the thighs, similar measurement, but for the bust and the waist, very small. It's like you're writing an 8, but with an improper fraction, or sorry, with a proper fraction. The up is small while the lower body is large. For me, this body shape can wear anything. They can equally wear form-fitted dresses, A-line dresses. By A-line dresses, you see those dresses that are tight from the neck to the shoulder, and then from the shoulder they are flay. Those dresses they can wear. They can wear figure hugging dresses, figure hugging skirts, just anything that balances the hips and also balances the upper body, they can wear. Now, what this body shape cannot wear are tops that shows that their upper body is extremely small. They can wear it. Some people do not mind, but ordinarily it should balance, right? It should balance. Tops like this, tops that have like tiny straps, they cannot wear it because it is showing that, oh, this person's upper body is so small. Now, some people do not mind, but ordinarily it should really balance. There should be like some level of balance or moderation in what they are wearing. Now, they cannot wear trousers or pants with pockets, like with side pockets. Now, this is just making the hips bigger than it already is. So everything should just be in moderation. Like I said, they can wear anything, but not something that makes the upper part of their body very small, and then the what's it called, the lower part of their body that is already big, extremely big. Next is the rectangle body shape. This body shape has similar measurements all through. I'm talking the shoulder, the bust, the waist, similar measurements. There's literally no difference, and there is no sort of dimension, nothing differentiating the upper body and the lower body, the waist, the bust, same measurements. Now, if you have this body shape, I would advise you lean more to tailored clothes. This is because tailors have a way of giving you curves where there is none, snatching your waist, and see, they just have a way of making your body curvy, unlike those clothes that you just buy straight from the hanger. I would advise you lean more to A-line dresses, A-line tops, flare skirts, flare tops, just something that hides the boxiness of your body or something that gives the illusion of a waist or of a snatched waist. Yeah. Also, run away from form-fitted clothes. Bandage dresses, what do you need it for? Bandage skirts, what do you need it for? See, run. Anything that will make you look straight, run away from it. Except you don't mind. Next is the apple body shape. This body shape has a larger midsection. Now, unlike the rectangle body shape that is given straight, this body shape is given round. Again, this body shape should also lean towards tailored clothes, A-line dresses, A-line tops, just anything that gives the illusion of a small waist. Lean to that. Body shape along with the rectangle body shape needs to lean to clothes that take away attention from the mid section of their body. For the rectangle, your midsection is not defined. So why are you wearing clothes that is showing that it is not defined? And then for the apple body shape, your midsection is round, is big. So why are you wearing clothes that will draw attention, people's attention to that part? No, you're supposed to wear clothes that draw people's attention away from the part of your body that you're trying to hide. You see those Skims maxi dresses? Those maxi dresses are figure hugging. Run away from them. Run away from bandage dresses, skinny jeans. What are you wearing it for? Pencil skates for what? Run away. Now for the rectangle body shape and the apple body shape, these people can wear palazzo trouser. Now palazzo trouser or palazzo pants, I mean the ones with the tiny waist, and from the waist down have flea. Now from the waist to the sole of the feet, it is flea. They can wear that. They can wear palazzo trousers with pockets. This for the what's it called, for the rectangle shape gives the illusion of a big hip, which they do not have. And for the apple body shape, it gives the illusion of a snatched waist and a big lower body. Do you get? Now, this people can do more of palazzo trousers. Please know that there is a big difference between palazzo trousers and flare trousers. Big difference. I didn't say bootcut trouser. I didn't say flare trouser. I mean the proper palazzo trouser. Those ones that are big from the waist lower. Those ones this body shape can wear. Now, this body shape cannot do flare trousers. No, because flare trousers are tight from the waist to the hips. No, you can't do that. You need something that is free, that is not figure hugging, like I said. And palazzo trousers are not figure hugging. Now, this body shape can do pleated skirts. There are a lot of beautiful pleated skirts, the plain ones, the pattern one. These body shapes can do them. So lean more to things that take away, they just take away attention from your body shape. Lean more to things that are free, that are not figure hugging. And the final one we'll be talking about is the inverted triangle body shape. Like I said in my other video, draw a triangle and turn it upside down. That's the body shape that some people have. Mind you, this body shape is beautiful. You just need to know how to dress according to it. Now, for this body shape, they have a broad shoulder and bust area. Now, this means the bust and the shoulder, same measurement, and then the waist and the hips, very, very small, right? This body shape does not look good in anything that draws attention to their shoulder or to the upper part of their body. You see those tops that are off shoulder, they are not for this body shape. You see those tops that have puffy sleeves or puffy shoulders or with 50-50 shoulder pad. They are not for this body shape. You cannot wear anything that makes your shoulder or the upper part of your body look bigger than it already is. In this body shape, they can equally wear crop tops, but they cannot wear it with anything that is figure hugging down. So I would advise that they invest in petticoats. Is that what it is called? You see those what's it called, stuff that they used to wear in those days, I think in the medieval age, under their ball dresses. You can invest in that. If you want to be wearing A-line skirts or pleated skirts, invest in petticoats. God, I hope I am pronouncing it well. I'll write it so you can know what I'm talking about, and also find a picture to display. You can invest in that because it will give the illusion of a fuller lower body when you wear skirts and when you wear what's it called, dresses that have flay or gathers from the waist. They can also wear palazzo trousers, but what they cannot wear are skinny jeans, figure hugging dresses, bandage dresses, just anything that is showing your exact body shape. No, this body shape cannot wear it. Now, having said all of the above, I know it can be a bit difficult to find your style. Trust me, I am still trying to find my style. So one thing I am going to say is go on Instagram, go on any social media app or platform that you use, find a celebrity that has your body shape and that you also like her style. So what you're going to do is you're going to follow her. And whatsoever she's wearing that you like, that you think you have something similar in your wardrobe, you're going to screenshot and save. You're going to screenshot and save. Obviously, you cannot dress exactly like her because, see, a lot of the things that these celebrities are wearing, you and I know that we cannot afford them yet, right? So what you're going to do is the ones that you don't have, but you also like the style, you're going to save the pictures. You're going to screenshot and save on your phone. In fact, you're going to open a folder for those styles and see. You're going to go to the thrift market, get something similar, and start dressing like her until you find your style. But if a style resonates with you, who says you cannot steal people's style? Who says? My final tip is that you invest in good body shapers. See, I don't care what body shape or what body type you have, invest in good body shapers. A lot of us right now are not the same sizes or the same body shape that we were before. Some of us are suffering from PCOS, some of us have given birth and so our bodies have changed. Some of us, our bodies have changed due to our poor eating habits, sleeping habits, or just our routine, because our body is subjected to change. Like every other thing, our body changes over time. So invest in good body shapers. It will help you to help boost your confidence when you wear certain clothes. And also, what I like to do is when I get my clothes tailored or when I give my tailor an ankara to sew, if it's a dress, I like for her to put bands by the side, like rope by the side. So I can tie after doing the zipper, I can just tie it. It just gives the illusion of a much more snatched waist. So those are the things that I do. Invest in good body shapers, follow a celebrity whose style you love and who has the same body shape that you have. There's no bad thing in stealing people's style until you find your own. Alright. Also, do not forget to accessorize. Accessorize, accessorize, accessorize. So with that, we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you find it helpful. If you do, give it a thumbs up, follow or subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.